Hey everyone, welcome back. So, today I want to have a real, honest conversation with you about something I wish someone had told me 7 years ago when I first started hosting websites. I've been a Hostinger customer for over 7 years now, and across that time, I've hosted multiple tool websites on their platform. So, trust me, I've learned a lot through trial and error. Here's my little confession. When I first bought my Hostinger hosting plan, I used a coupon code called HI10, which gave me a 10% discount. I thought I was doing pretty well until I found out that Hostinger also offers referral codes that give you a full 20% off. Double the discount, and I completely missed it at first. So I made this video specifically so you don't make the same mistake I did. Now the good news is I've done the heavy lifting for you. I've dropped my personal referral link in the description below, and here's the cool part. I've added links for different countries in their local language and currency. So no matter where you're watching from, you're covered. Just find your country, click the link, and it'll take you straight to Hostinger's official website with that 20% discount already baked in. Once you land on the site, head up to the navbar and click on Products and Services. You'll see every single hosting plan Hostinger offers laid out right there: shared hosting, cloud, VPS, you name it. My referral discount works across all of them, which is something I genuinely love about it. For today's walkthrough, though, I'm jumping into the VPS plans because that's what I'm currently running for my tools. You'll see four options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM3, and KVM4, and I'm going with KVM2 for this demo since it hits the sweet spot for performance and price. When you get to the checkout page, you'll notice the 20% discount is already applied automatically. No need to copy paste anything or hunt for a code, super smooth. One last tip before I let you go: always sign up with a fresh email address that hasn't been used on Hostinger before. It makes a real difference in making sure the discount goes through without any hiccups. If this video helped you save some money, hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely means a lot. See you in the next one.